Here's another example for a Taylor polynomial approximation. We're going to approximate the cube root of 8.5 by using the third degree Taylor polynomial for the cube root function. So first we're going to come up with our Taylor polynomial. It doesn't say where to center about, but you have to pick the appropriate centering point. We know the cube root of 8. So we can easily draw a tangent line to the cube root of x at 8. So we can also draw the other polynomials easily to the cube root of 8. So our centering point, in other words, is going to be c equals 8. Oftentimes, probably more often than not, that centering point would be given to you, but I'd like us to understand it as to why we would choose that. Anyhow, the Taylor polynomial would be f of c plus first derivative over 1 times x minus c to the first plus the second derivative over 2 factorial times x minus c to the second. And finally, to get to the third degree, third derivative, that's 3, over 3 factorial x minus c to the third. Let me fix this up a little bit. All right. So c is 8. That's where we're centering about. So we're going to have to find 3 derivatives. The first derivative, f prime of x, is 1/3 times x to the negative 2/3. So f prime of 8 is going to be 1 over 8. Cube root of 8 is 2, 2 to the second is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. Second derivative would be, so we're at x to the negative 2/3 over 3. So you multiply the 2/3, we're getting negative 2/9. X to the negative 5/3, so over, over x to the 5/3. So f prime of 8 is 8 to the 5/3 would be 2 to the 5th, which is 32, negative 2 over 9 times 32. And finally, the third derivative is going to be negative 2/9 times a negative 5/3, which is negative 10 over 27. X to the negative 7 or 8/3, so x to the positive 8/3 here. F triple prime of 8, this is going to be a good one, negative 10 over 27. Cube root of 8 is 2, and then we have to do 2 to the 8th, which is 256. And now we're going to start filling in all of the blanks. So I'm going to plug f of 8, f prime of 8 times x minus 8, and so on. And I'm going to, so you don't have to watch me do that, look at the next video after I've plugged everything in.